Today we've got a really awesome video for you, and that is a review on our Shoellie. Not just one Shoellie, but two pairs, one in Fudge and one in Houston Brown, and this is after 2 years of wear and no care whatsoever taken to them. Some background information on these boots is that they happen to be my cousin's two pairs that he wears every alternative day. He is a partner at Riverain Beef and Farm Shop, and I must say, for any of you South Africans or anyone visiting, their dry horse is literally the best I've ever tasted. So make sure to grab yourself some of it. They do deliver nationwide, so get in touch with them. We'll put their details below, and I can assure you, you will not taste a better dry horse. Now, when Matt came to me, he said, Gareth, I'm wanting a pair of shoes that I can look good in the shop, and when I head out to the farm, they can do the job and stand the test. And I said, Matt, there's no other option than our Shoellie. Now, I have personally worn a pair of Shoellies for 6 months straight. We'll put a link to my review and video down below. It was 3 years ago when our studio and audio wasn't that great, but it is the honest feedback that I gave back then. We also then had another guy who goes by the name of Safari Expert, and he is also a huge lover of these Shoellies. We'll put links to his review down below as well. And between this video and the other two, you'll get a great idea if this shoe is for you. So for now, let's go and hear from Matt, his review and his experience in our Shoellies.
How's it? From Belito, South Africa. I've had my Jim Green boots, or should I say Shoellies, for over 2 years now. And they've been nothing short of incredible. I've done very little maintenance to them because they don't need it, to be honest. They're built unbelievably tough and durable. I alternate between my Fudge pair and chocolate pair and wear them every day for work, weekends, use them for hunting and fishing, and they're super comfy and never miss a beat. I've just sent them back to the Jim Green factory for a bit of love and TLC. I can't wait to get them back for many more years of use. Honestly, quality boots that just keep going.
So thanks very much, Matt, for your honest, short and sweet, to the point feedback. Now what we're going to do, get these Shoellies into the factory, add another pair of Oringo soles onto them, saddle soap them, polish them up, and you guys are going to see just what a pair of Fudge and Houston Brown pair looks like after 2 years of use, resoled and ready for another potentially 2 years of use. Been a few days since we last chatted on these Shoellies, but they have just been resoled, brand new Oringo soles and ready for their next adventure. We've also taken a saddle soap, removed any of the dirt on here, and now you can see a raw look at Houston Brown versus our Fudge, and just how different these two leathers are. Now, many customers like to keep the Fudge in its natural lighter state. So after giving a saddle soap, some like to leave just as is. And you can finish off with a suede cleaner or something that sinks in nicely and doesn't change the color too much. But now what we're gonna do, because we wanna show you what these boots look like if you were to apply a Jim Green Leather Balm, we're gonna give them a lick of polish, put some shoelaces on, and we'll show you what they look like.